Okay, got the battery here. It's been on charge. Just checking the levels. Acid levels are just a little bit below the maximum height, the upper level. So I'm going to top it up with a bit of battery acid, and as you can see, levels are a bit air. But yeah, we're going to top that up. I've done a voltage check on it already, since it's been over an hour since it's been off charge, and yeah, it's 13 volts on it, so we're good to go. We got the battery connected up to the meter. I'll just check the meter. It's 13 volts, so everything's looking okie dokie at the moment. Okay, the battery's in now. Didn't need to bore you on how to put a battery in, but those who don't know, always put your positive connections on first, and before you put your negative on. That prevents any accidental shorting to earth. It's not a pretty sight, and it does scare the heebie-jeebies out of you if you're not used to it. Okay, on this particular bike, I've just pulled a fuse out there. It's a 20 amp fuse, which is actually on here at the moment. That just to stop any electrics being activated. When we're ready to go, we'll just put that fuse back in and see if we can get a crank. Okie dokie. Okay, spark plug's in. I know we've got an issue with the clutch plates at the moment, but I'm just going to see if this will crank under power. So let's just give it a little crank. Not going to touch the throttle or anything. Oh, we've got a good power there. Sounded nice. Okay, let's just leave that like that now. Okay. What was I going to do? Oh yeah. I was just going to cable tie this up, because hopefully it might free up the clutch plates when it's spinning, as it's trying to release them. Okie dokie.